Oh, she's making horrendous noises. But I think some of that's the trunk that's rattling. Oh, my door's not shut. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, come on, door. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are driving. It does not sound good. That trunk is jumping every which way, making a lot of rattling back there. We're staying temp. I don't think our oil pressure sensor works now that I'm looking at it. It hasn't moved at all, so hopefully we have something. The question is, do we take it on the road? You know what? Might as well, right? Take it up the block and come back.